Okay, now let's see. In the previous one, what we have seen that how can we write down that how can a valency or you can say anion and cation form. So cation and anion always depend on the valency. So first we will talk about the elements which has a one valency, valency one. What is valency? The tendency of an element to lose or gain electron is called its valency. So the valency one, there are atoms which is given over here which will form like it's a sodium, potassium, sodium plus 1, potassium plus 1. These are the values which we need to understand. These are the important things which is already given over here. One more which we take it as a silver, we call it as a Ag plus, silver, okay. And then we have a copper, Cu plus 1. So these are the elements, cations which I have suggested over here, name of the ions, sodium ion, potassium ion, silver ion and copper ion, which has the valency 1. So these are the symbols which we are going to utilize it, how to form an equation or a chemical reaction. So let's see the second one, which one has having a valency 2. What is the valency 2? We can understand from here. Valency 2. Magnesium, which has a valency 2. Zinc has a valency 2. Copper has a valency 2. These are the elements which is having 2 valency. So we write down as a plus 2 over here. These are the few elements which we are aware of it. Now let's see element which has a valency 3. For that we have aluminium. As it has 3 electrons required, okay, in the outermost shell, so that it can easily give away 3 electron and you have that. So aluminium, these are the some of the symbols which we are going to utilize to form certain compounds. Now these all are the cations. Let's see how many of them, some of them from the anions. Now what is this? You don't have to memorize this all. As and when you will practice these questions now. Right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 cations are there. Now I'm going to take certain anions over here. Let's say this is the one, SO4 minus 2. What is SO4 minus 2? You know what is SO4 minus 2? It is called sulfate ion. It is called sulfate ion. Now sulfate ion, then we have NO3 minus. Let's say this is the nitrate ion. I am taking arbitrarily some of the anions which we can utilize it later on. How can we form compounds? Chlorine is this, that's what chlorine is Cl. When it gains 1 electron, it is converted into ion, which we call it as the chloride ion. Same one we have a Br minus, which we call it as a bromide ion. Very, very important portion. Then we have OH minus. This OH minus, this all are considered as a polyatomic. Here only these two are considered as a monoatomic, which is called hydroxide ion. Which is called hydroxide ion. Now, when oxygen gains 2 electrons, it's converted into O minus 2, which we call it as an oxide. So, basically, I have given some of the examples of symbols of cations and the symbols of anions. These all are cations and these all are anions. Now, by merging these two, what can we do? We can form a compound. We can form a compound. And how can we write down an equation, chemical equation? Let us understand by this way. Okay. First, we'll take Na plus, and in front of it, I am going to take SO4 minus 2, NO3 minus, and then let's take Br minus. These three, I have to form a compound using these four ions. Sodium, I will write here, Na. SO4, I will write here. Now, what is the valency of it? It's a +1. So, I will write down +1 down over here, and here -2. So, I will write down -2. Okay, now when I have to write a chemical formula, I will just do a crisscross. This value will go to this one, this value will come to this one. It means, and make sure the value written over here will always come in abbreviation. It will always come in a subscription over here. It cannot be written top. It can be written like this: Na2SO4. This is the formula which we are talking about, and this is how I can form a chemical formula. So what can we do? Simple: Na +1 SO4 -2, done. Question comes, here there was no matching over there, 1 and 2, it means not common factor over there, so no need to take LCM. Let's take another example. Another one, let's have a different color. So what is it? Again sodium. And what do I have? Let me take a nitrate ion. So sodium has +1 valency, nitrate has a -1 valency. Now it's confusion, sir, both of them are same, then what can we do? Nothing to worry about. Keep it as it is. NaNO3. So this is very simple to make it. You can take help of your 9th standard textbook where you have given a table 3.2 or 3.4 somewhere, and 3.4 and 3.5 tables. Using that, you can frame many chemical equations, chemical formulas with the help of this technique. So over to you now. All people, students have to do this thing. At least try to make it 20-25. Okay, for that what can you do? Right now I have taken sodium and this all. Now let me go for another one. I will give another example. Let's take the calcium. Calcium +2, and let's take this all the three one. SO4 -2, NO3 minus, and Br minus. So first one, let's take this one. So Ca and SO4. What will be this? This is +2. This is -2. Now here, question comes. Both of them are 2. So if I'm going to write a cross, am I going to write down like this, SO4 twice? No. What happens? When you have a common one, take LCM of it or take a ratio of it. What will you get? You will get 1, 1. It means if you have a same valency, then કશું જ નહીં કરવાનું, બેને ભેગા કરી દેવાના. They are the best friend of all. This is what you can write down. If you write this way, this is completely wrong. Understand? So this is how we can make it out. So calcium and nitrate. Now let's take this calcium and nitrate. How can I write down a calcium and nitrate? Let's see. Ca and nitrate, NO3. So this is +2 and this is -1. Now difference, okay. So 1, 2, calcium, nothing. So 1 only, no need to write anything. I was writing this. Let me erase. What is that? It is like NO3 has to come in a bracket. The reason is that it's a polyatomic ion, and when a polyatomic ion, you have to place it in bracket, and these two will come in subscript over here, and the name of the compound will be calcium nitrate. So that's it.